What's up guys, Major here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play your PS2 games on your Android phone using the SX2 emulator. So the link to download the SX2 emulator will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check that. So once you download it, you have to open it up and you accept terms and conditions and frequently asked questions. And when you come to settings, if you use a high-end device, then you can just select the first one. Since I'm using a high-end device, I'm okay with it. And you can also check out some other things. You can make it that dark mode or light mode. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it like this. So you can just use any one way you want. You can just do like that. And when you click next, you have to make sure that you downloaded the PS2 BIOS you want to use. So also check out the link in the description box to know where I downloaded my BIOS from. So you can just click import on bio. Then I already have my bio here, so I'm going to go to where the bio is and I'm going to import the BIOS. So I have it here. So the BIOS is the first one, which is the largest file, so select it and it's going to bring out Japan, and you can see, and then you have to select it and click on next and click on next as well and click on finish, and we are all done. So the next thing you have to do is you set up your controller, because I have a controller right here with me, and you can see if you click here, go to controller settings and go to port 1, and then I'm going to do automatic mapping USB joystick. As you can see, it's reading my USB joystick, to select on it and it's going to choose the obvious ones. You can see my controller works out of the box. You can see it works out of the box, right? So that is it. So once you're done with that, then you have to go to the home screen and then you have to add your game directory. So what you have to do, you have to just click here and you can just click on start BIOS, and you can see this is the PS2 on your phone. You can see this is the PS2. You can just navigate around wherever you like, something like that. So I'm not going to show you how to run a game, right? So exit game, then click on here. Then what you have to do is click on start file, and once you click on start file, go to the directory that your PS2 game is. For this case, I have it on my SD card. So PS2, then you can see I have Dragon Ball Z with me here, so we have to click on it and it's going to open up the game for you. This works 100%. I've tried this so many times and it works, and I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so it can handle the games very well. So far I have not noticed a single lag of the games. So I don't know what about you guys, it depends on the phone you are using. If you are using a high-end phone, it's going to do very well, but if you are using a low-end phone, not very well. But that is it. By the way guys, you can see everything works by the way. So you can use the on-screen controls if you wish, but if you map your controllers the right way, it's going to work out of the box. But I have a separate video showing you how you can map your controllers, so the video will be at the top of the screen, so don't forget to click on it and watch it. And yeah, subscribe to this channel if you found this video